My name's Ashley Pitts, and this is dedicated to my sister Olivia. Olivia! Olivia!
Yes.
Tell them your name.
My name is Olivia. And I'm getting on my MySpace.
You have a MySpace?
Yeah. Everybody does.
Except for who?
Except you're goddamn right.
Do you know your password?
Of course I do.
Do you know how to type?
Oh yeah. Goddamn!
So, what did you do on that math test today?
I added some numbers.
Did you do good?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
My teacher gave me a 0. That must be like the highest grade.
Are you real? Do you think you do good at math?
Oh yes, yes, yes.
Are you the smartest one in the class?
Top Chang.
Olivia! Olivia!
Did you say I'm fucking busy? God damn it! You made me laugh and shit and piss on myself.
Why are you talking so fucking loud? I'm not fucking deaf.
Because, god damn it! Stop! I can't hear you!
What's 2 plus 2?
Fuck everybody knows that!
What is it?
Fucking 2! Yeah, retard!
Say bye to the people.
Boo-boo!